Using Depop QR code is a convenient way to share your profile, items, and shop with others. To start, you need to have a Depop account and access to the Depop app on your mobile device. First, open the Depop app and navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon. Once you are on your profile page, look for the QR code icon, which is usually represented by a square with a pattern of black and white boxes. Tap on this icon to generate your unique Depop QR code. Your Depop QR code will be displayed on the screen, and you can share it with others by saving it to your phone or sharing it directly to social media platforms. When someone scans your QR code using their mobile device, they will be redirected to your Depop profile page, where they can view your items, shop, and follow you. To scan a Depop QR code, open the Depop app and tap on the search icon. Then, tap on the QR code scanner icon, which is usually represented by a camera. Point your camera at the QR code, and the app will automatically scan it and redirect you to the associated Depop profile page. Best practices for using Depop QR code include sharing it on your social media platforms, adding it to your business cards or flyers, and displaying it at events or markets. You can also customize your QR code by adding your logo or brand name to make it more recognizable. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Depop QR code to promote your profile, items, and shop, and connect with other users on the platform. Remember to always keep your QR code up to date and make sure it is easily accessible to others.